Exploring happiness, understanding, be on Cloud Nine. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and joyful phrase, be on Cloud Nine. Have you ever felt so happy that you couldn't find the words to describe your feelings? Well, English has a phrase just for that moment. Let's embark on this journey to understand what it means to be on Cloud Nine, how it originated, and how you can use it in your conversations. Be on Cloud Nine is a popular English idiom used to describe a state of extreme happiness or euphoria. When someone says they are on Cloud Nine, it means they are overwhelmed with joy and feeling exceptionally good. It's a way to express that someone is experiencing happiness that is almost out of this world. The phrase, be on Cloud Nine, has a somewhat mysterious and debated origin. One popular theory suggests it comes from the weather system classification developed by the U.S. Weather Bureau in the 1950s, where clouds were numbered, and Cloud Nine was defined as the cumulonimbus, the highest and fluffiest cloud. Another theory links it to Buddhist concepts of cloud formations, representing high stages of enlightenment. Despite the uncertain origins, the phrase has cemented its place in the English language as a metaphor for peak happiness. Incorporating "be on Cloud Nine" into your conversations can add a vibrant touch to your storytelling or expressions of joy. Here are a few examples. After getting promoted at work, you might say, "I'm on Cloud Nine." When a friend asks about your holiday, you could respond, "It was amazing. I was on Cloud Nine the whole time." To express happiness about a personal achievement, you might share, "Passing that difficult exam left me on Cloud Nine." While "be on Cloud Nine" is widely understood and used in English-speaking countries, it's important to note the cultural nuances. This phrase is a perfect example of how English speakers use vivid imagery and hyperbole to express emotions. Recognizing and using such phrases can not only enhance your English language skills but also help you better connect with native speakers by sharing emotions in a colorful and relatable way. Feeling joyful and ecstatic is a universal experience, and "be on Cloud Nine" offers a charming way to convey those emotions in English. We hope this exploration has brightened your day and added a new phrase to your English vocabulary. Remember, learning a language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about embracing the cultural richness and expressive depth it offers. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to share your moments of happiness using this delightful phrase. Until next time, stay curious and happy learning.